On the ancient plains of Central Europe lies Budapest, a city of striking beauty and resilience. Split by the mighty Danube, Buda's historic hills face Pest's vibrant modern energy. Budapest is a living museum, its streets lined with Gothic spires, Art Nouveau facades, and centuries of stories. The city pulses with culture, grand opera houses, hidden ruin bars, and legendary thermal baths. Aromas of paprika and fresh pastries invite you to explore its celebrated culinary traditions. Budapest has mastered survival and reinvention, emerging as one of Europe's most dazzling jewels. Join me as we uncover the landmarks, flavors, and culture that make Budapest a top travel destination. High atop Castle Hill stands Buda Castle, the historic seat of Hungarian kings. Today, its grand halls house the Hungarian National Gallery and Budapest History Museum, offering a journey through art and time. From its terraces, the city and Danube unfold in breathtaking panorama, a reward for every visitor. On Pest's riverbank, the Hungarian Parliament building rises, a neo-Gothic masterpiece and symbol of national pride. Guided tours reveal opulent halls, the grand staircase, and the revered Hungarian crown jewels. It's a palace for the people, embodying Hungary's enduring spirit. Near Buda Castle, Fisherman's Bastion dazzles with its fairy tale turrets and sweeping city views. Built to honor the fishermen who once defended these walls, its 7 towers represent the founding Magyar tribes. Each archway frames Budapest as a work of art, a dream for photographers and romantics alike. The Széchenyi Chain Bridge unites Buda and Pest, a marvel of 19th century engineering and a symbol of unity. At night, its illuminated chains and arches become a glittering necklace across the Danube. A stroll here, between the glowing castle and parliament, is pure Budapest magic. St. Stephen's Basilica, Pest's grandest church, rivals the parliament in height, a deliberate balance of church and state. Inside, marble, gold, and mosaics awe visitors, while the holy rite, St. Stephen's mummified hand, draws pilgrims. Climb to the dome for a 360-degree view of Budapest's urban tapestry. It's a spiritual and visual highlight of the city. At the end of Andrássy Avenue, Heroes Square honors Hungary's founders with the Millennium Memorial and statues of national heroes. Flanked by major art museums and the city park, it's a gateway to history, culture, and leisure. The square is a powerful visual timeline of Hungarian identity. Budapest's geothermal springs find their grandest expression at Széchenyi Thermal Bath, a neo-Baroque palace of relaxation. Outdoor pools steam year-round, where locals and visitors soak, socialize, and play chess. It's a quintessential Hungarian experience, restorative, social, and unforgettable. Gellert Hill rises above the Danube, crowned by the Citadella Fortress and Liberty Statue. Once a symbol of domination, it now offers sweeping views and a place for reflection. From here, Budapest's bridges and skyline stretch out in a breathtaking panorama. Andrássy Avenue, Budapest's Grand Boulevard, is lined with neo-Renaissance mansions, luxury boutiques, and the Hungarian State Opera House. Beneath it runs the historic Millennium Underground, Europe's first subway. A stroll here is a walk through the city's golden age of glamour and culture. The Great Market Hall is Budapest's culinary heart, a vibrant cathedral of food and tradition. Stalls brim with fresh produce, paprika, and local delicacies, while the upper floor offers souvenirs and street food. It's the perfect place to taste and understand Hungarian culture. Kostas Restaurant, Hungary's first Michelin-starred venue, elevates dining to an art form. Precision, creativity, and top-quality ingredients define its tasting menus, paired with exceptional wines. Dining here is a celebration of Budapest's contemporary culinary excellence. Borkonyha, or Wine Kitchen, blends world-class cuisine with a relaxed bistro vibe and a stellar Hungarian wine list. The menu is inventive yet rooted in tradition, designed for perfect wine pairings. It's a favorite for locals and visitors seeking sophisticated, approachable dining. Onyx, Budapest's 2 Michelin-starred gem, is a temple of haute cuisine and Hungarian ingredients. Its elaborate tasting menus reinvent local traditions with avant-garde flair. A meal here is an unforgettable, multi-sensory journey. Hungaricum Bistro is a cozy, family-run spot dedicated to authentic Hungarian home cooking. Hearty goulash, chicken paprikash, and warm hospitality make it a must for traditional flavors. It's a true taste of Hungarian comfort and culture. Menza restaurant channels retro socialist nostalgia with playful decor and updated classics. The menu offers comforting dishes from soups to schnitzel, all with a modern twist. It's a lively, affordable favorite for locals and tourists alike. Gundel is a legendary institution, blending Hungarian tradition with French refinement for over a century. Its signature Gundel pancake, filled with walnuts, raisins, and chocolate sauce, is a national treasure. Dining here is a step back into Budapest's elegant past. Dobrumba brings Middle Eastern, Mediterranean, and Caucasian flavors to Budapest's Jewish quarter. Shared plates, bold spices, and a bohemian vibe make it a hotspot for adventurous diners. It's a testament to the city's cosmopolitan food scene. Kiosk on the Pest riverbank offers stunning views, modern design, and a vibrant atmosphere. The menu fuses Hungarian and European cuisine, while the bar serves inventive cocktails. It's a go-to for stylish dining and city views. Pesti Disno celebrates the famed Mangalika pig with inventive Hungarian tapas in a chic, casual setting. Small plates let diners sample a variety of flavors, perfect for sharing and wine tasting. It's a modern twist on Hungarian classics, ideal for a relaxed evening. Paprika Vendeglo offers rustic, no-frills Hungarian fare in generous portions. The menu is a greatest hits of comfort food: goulash, mixed grills, and chicken paprikash. It's the place for hearty traditional meals and genuine hospitality. Gulyas, Hungary's iconic dish, is a rich paprika-laced soup rooted in herdsmen's traditions. Beef, onions, and vegetables simmer to create the ultimate comfort food. Try it at a classic bistro or the Great Market Hall for an authentic taste of Hungary. Langos is Hungary's beloved street food, a golden, deep-fried dough topped with garlic, sour cream, and cheese. Found at market stalls and metro stations, it's messy, indulgent, and irresistible. A must-try for every visitor. Chicken paprikash combines tender chicken with a creamy paprika sauce, finished with sour cream. Served with nokkedli dumplings, it's a staple of Hungarian home cooking. This dish is pure comfort on a plate. Porkol is Hungary's classic stew. Meat slow-cooked with onions and paprika until meltingly tender. Thicker than goulash, it's served with potatoes or nokkedli for a hearty meal. It's rustic, rich, and deeply satisfying. Dobos tort is Hungary's iconic cake. Layers of sponge and chocolate buttercream, topped with crisp caramel. Created in 1885, it's a staple in Budapest's grand coffee houses. Enjoy a slice at Gerbode or the New York Cafe for a taste of history. Our journey through Budapest ends, but the city's allure endures. Here, imperial grandeur meets modern creativity, and every street tells a story. From fairy tale spires to steaming baths and vibrant markets, Budapest rewards every explorer. Whether you seek history, art, or unforgettable food, you'll find it in abundance. Add Budapest to your travel list. It's a city that lingers in memory and spirit. If you enjoyed this journey, like and subscribe for more world explorations. Until next time, travel well and with wonder.